All right, thanks for downloading and sharing your plan. Let me open that thing. I had it open a moment ago and decided to close it without saving. And this is what you saw. There's the dormer that's working, the dormer that's not working. So I'm going to go over here, and I have this open in Cheap Architect X11, which is the big brother of what you have. I'm going to mark it so that you can continue using the plan after I'm done with it today. Provided I get a success, and I think so. This is this error message coming from this dormer object. What I had in mind was taking it and exploding the dormer. And, oh, hang on a second. Let me check that, make sure auto build roofs is, yeah, let's turn off auto build roofs. I'm gonna click on the dormer and explode it. Okay, it vanished. That's what happened last time I tried that also. And you can see here, you know, the other dormer is still there. This one's missing. I'm gonna go Shift F6. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the plan view, and I'm gonna take this one. There we go. I'm gonna explode it. That didn't disappear that time, but what I intended to do, now you've got a bunch of layers turned off. I don't normally use this glass house camera, and that's no big deal. But you've got some layers turned off, which I need. I'm gonna go to walls. Well, walls attic is on. I thought that would be off. Let me see what else you got here. Attic, that's fine. Layers. Well, okay, that didn't explain it. Just wondering why there should be, maybe there they are. They're up there on the attic level. I'm going to turn the reference display on, and what I intend to do, I'm going to take these, I'm going to marquee select these walls and copy them over here and rotate them. And then I'm going to center that on this. Look there, see it's coming along. I didn't copy the roof plane, I just copied the walls. I'm going to go down here. I think that's where the roof plane is. Whoops, wrong one. Click on this screen and go down. Where's that roof plane? Doesn't seem to be here. I don't see it there. Let me check my layer display options again. No, I know that's all on. I'm going to check roof planes this time. Roof planes, yeah, they're on. Baselines. Hope he didn't use polylines. I'm going to turn those off. So, what's that? Probably an auto-generated attic wall. Yeah, that's what that is. Well, the roof planes aren't here. You turn the reference display off. Okay, this is one thing I'm interested in. Oh, the roof plane, okay. So I want this hole here. I'm going to copy it. Again, copy it over here and reverse it. And I'm going to center it. Well, I'm going to turn the reference display back on, and I'm going to line it up on the walls above. See here. I'm going to use my arrow key and get it in there pretty close. That was pretty close. Now you can see that caused some stuff, but I need to get the roof plane over there to kind of control all of this. And I just don't see, oh, maybe that's it. There it is. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to copy the roof plane. And of course, it's slanting the wrong way, so I'm going to rotate it. If I can find the rotate handle. There it is. It's just covered up by the room name. And then this roof base line needs to be right on the edge of this wall. So I'm going to use point-to-point move. And then click on the baseline and move it right over there on the edge of the framing. Ooh, look, it's coming along. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is click on this edge and hit the join roofs and join it to this one. Okay, it looks like this hole's off a little bit. I'm just going to manually snap that to there. Ooh, what happened with that? Oh, okay, I know what happened. Let me hit the undo, that's Control Z. I hit Control Z again. There we go. See, I brought that stuff back. Instead of using the join roofs tool this time, I'm just going to line this up with that roof and close that little gap. I think everything else is pretty much done. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. That's looking pretty good. I think what Eric was saying about the auto roof generation, let's get in a different camera mode. Let's go over here to standard. So looking pretty good except for this. This probably just, I need to adjust this polyline hole. Should be right about there underneath the roof plane. Yeah, there. Yeah, see how it's chopping here? I'm going to put it right to the outside of the siding. It should regenerate that wall. It hasn't so far yet. Let me do some further looking around. I'm going to turn the reference display off. Turn it back on. Yeah, these walls here, you should make sure that they were copied from the other side, so they ought to be the same. These should be on the roof tab marked roof cuts wall at bottom, and they are. And this wall on the roof tab, it's not quite sure why that's not working right. I thought it was the adjustment of this polyline that's here, but that wasn't it. Well, it's not, it's just outside the siding. Let me click on that wall polyline and see, okay, see there? It's crunched. So that's, I was right about that polyline. I thought I had it far enough away. Let's pull it an inch or so away. Okay, I brought it back. Okay, I think that solves your problem. And like Eric said, that automatic tools don't always work all the time like you would wish they would, but sometimes you have to step in, and when the automaticity fails, and just make happen what you want to have happen. Okay? Hope this helps you, and whoever watches this, make it a great day.